because there's like a whole lot of my stains here. This is my corner. There's my clock, there's the aircon, and then there's this pocket here for the iron, my straightener, some medicine, sinus medication, and then this one here I have to get rid of it because they just aren't clothes that I'm going to get rid of. And then I have this cute little cupboard. I got it from an Indian shop. And then here we have some of my shoes that I mostly wear, the regular shoes, and a mirror right there, you can see my face, and then a lamp as well, a lamp, and then some candles, some makeup issues here, glasses, another candle, vanilla, I love this one, and then the leaves, and then up there we have my long boots. I haven't actually worn them. I bought them when winter was over in December and they were special, so that's why I got them. And then there's just some flowers here, a picture of me that I got from my cousin for my 24th birthday. And then up there we have some of my shoes. I have a lot of shoes. I actually need to get rid of some of my shoes there. And then as we turn, there is my bed. I changed my bed, actually. It used to be on that side, and then I put it in the corner between the two windows, just so that I can have more light and just be in the corner. It feels more comfortable and it gives more space in the room. So this is my bed. That's my laptop. I love white blankets, but today I'm having a brown cover, a brown duvet on with some white. And then this is my sleeping bonnet that I got from my friend Maria. And then we have this headboard. It's actually old now. I'm stuck with it because I love it. I'm holding on to it because my brother gave it to me. No, he didn't give it to me. He actually made it. I was there when he was doing it, and ever since then I just love it so much. I don't want to get rid of it, but I actually need a new headboard, like, you know, those fashionable ones. Yeah, but it's very, very nice. I love it. And then as you go up, I just love greens. I love green plants. This is one of the green plants I have up here. I think I got this one from Mr. Price Home long time ago. And then as you go up again, there is some of my shoes. I'm actually gonna do a declutter and just get rid of things that I don't wear anymore, and those that are in good condition I'm probably gonna sell them, and I'm gonna give them away to my cousins in the north. Yeah, and then I like popcorns. And then we have my speaker right here, my favorite. I can't do without this one. If this one breaks, I will definitely have to replace it. And then I just usually keep a bottle of water next to my bed. This one I got it from work. And then this is my table. Okay, let me make it from this angle so you can see properly. And then this is my table, my bed set, what do they call it? Bed set table, I don't know. And then we have these roses. I actually got them from Mr. Price Home. The first day I saw them, I didn't have money, and then when I went back, they were all sold out of stock. And then I had to keep in contact with the lady that works in the shop. I told her, please, if they come back, let me know. The first time they were only $19, and then the second time when they came back in stock, they were like as in $26 a rose. And then yeah, I decided to get five roses as a tea, and I love them so much. They look so real, like in real life. You think they're real roses, but they're not. And then what else do I have here? Just candles, air conditioner remote, just some decor. And then these are some of my things. I keep this one here because those are the things that I use on a regular basis, so that in the morning when I'm going to work, I get out of the shower and then I just come to the mirror. Oh, that's me in the mirror. And then I just come to the mirror, I quickly dress up, and then I just do my lotion, and everything is there. My body mist, my perfume, my lotion, my gel for the baby hair. And then I also keep Vicks because, you know, it's very, very important. This is some of my sinus medication because I have sinus, candle. And then this is just like a mini drawer for little, yeah, this one is like jewelries. Just some earrings that I wear on a daily basis to work. And then, yeah, foundation and whatever, mascara. And then I just also keep this tiny brush set here just for those that I use on a daily basis. Yeah, and then as we come here, I have a whole lot of handbags, guys. Tiny handbags. This one I ordered online with Porsche, and then I have more there. More. Some are actually hidden. I have to get rid of some. And then more. Wait, what is this? Okay, this is my nail sets. My nails, I have, how do I say, there's like a whole my nail product here. Sometimes I do my own nails, so I keep it there. And then this is just some storage for some things and combs. And then more handbags. There's sword. This is my current favorite. There's a yellow one. There's sparkle. And then just some of my clear shoes here. Okay, and then yeah, basically that's, let me give you an overview of the room. And then I love this rose. I kept it for so long. And then I also just have one of this thing here. It's a Namibian medal, which I got when I walked 5 kilometers for fun. I was actually invited by my friend. So this is the overview from my corner, this corner of my room. So just like that. And then like a mini chair there, which I like. I DIY with that fluffy thing. And then just like that. Oh my god. I don't want to show you that part because it's very messy, guys. It's very, very messy. Yeah. So this is my room. For those of you that wanted the room tour, this is my room. Simple. I love white. White is actually my favorite color. Okay, this is me. Intense. Otherwise I would have plans for you. Okay, and then we moved on. So that's just some storage. I really love this room because it has a lot of storage. Because I have a lot of things. And I need to declutter. This year I'm changing. I'm not holding on to things anymore. I need to let go. I'm so tired. Okay, I was cleaning the room for you guys so that it looks nice. So I'm tired. And then, okay, we move on to the bathroom. I'll try not to show you everything because there is some of my panties on the other side. Okay, as you enter, there's a mat here, and these are my bathing shoes, slippers. Very cute, like with a bow and all that. And then, okay, I hope you don't see my panties. Okay. And then we have a beautiful mirror here, and then I just put this, I think you saw it on my previous video, not previous video, in one of my videos. I got these things from Pep Home, the butterflies. Then I just put the stickers there, make it more girly. And then I just have this. I got this one from Shit Street. It was actually cheaper there compared to Mr. Price Home. It's like kind of gold. Very pretty. And then I broke this one. It's broken behind, so I just ended up putting this in. And then we have this one here. This is actually my friend gave me this when I had corona, and it's very strong. You inhale it or put it in water and you steam, and it's very strong. I still have it. Let me see this. Toilet paper, a little flower there, and then I had those storage from Pep Home that I got. And then I just have this. It's like you won't be able to see, the light is too much. Okay. Yeah, basically that's it. And then just a shower. Here I keep my bathing suit, and then here I just keep my facials, blah blah, and just anything extra that I have. And then this is one of my body scrub. Oh, it's done actually, and it smells so good. It smells so good. yeah, so basically that's it. This is my room, and I guess it's goodbye. Yeah, I would actually want to get a new headboard now, and I want a big mirror, big mirror. And then I just need to get rid of some of the things because I feel like I hold on to too many things sometimes. This is one of my keys that I got myself long time ago on my 21st birthday. I was like, people give people keys, let me get myself a key. It's so heavy, it's like metal. I got this from Mr. Person. It's like a decor thing. It's very cute. So big. So yeah guys, that was it from me today. This was my room tour. This is where I take beautiful selfies most of the time. I like here, and then I always just look for the beautiful view. Like, let's say I'll put my leg on that side or on this side. I love this side. Oh, you can't see I'm doing a selfie. I love to take pictures from this side or from that side, like where the angle looks so cute. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For me, it's goodbye. The light is so much light in this room, which is actually good because like this is, can you see this? Oh my goodness, I could film another video right now. This lighting is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, like without even a ring light. I think it's about to rain. Okay, let me show you the cloud. Oh, it's drizzling. It's actually drizzling. Look at the clouds, so beautiful. Very beautiful. Goodbye.